With its inimitable combination of exclusivity, dynamic excellence, luxuriant spaciousness, and versatility, the BMW X7 has quickly developed into the most successful BMW model in the luxury class. And now the unique character profile of the brand's largest sports activity vehicle, SAV, has been honed to significant effect thanks to extensive design refinements, most notably a visually impactful front end plus a new look M Sport package, light alloy wheels measuring up to 23 inches, an X factory first for BMW, and the latest generation iDrive control/operation system including BMW curved display and BMW operating system 8. The new BMW X7 also comes with a further expanded range of standard equipment, additional driver assistance systems and the latest 4.8V mild hybrid technology for the 3-engine variants offered. Fueled by its highly versatile skill set, the largest BMW X model convinces with both on-the-road elegance and off-road ability. Extensive design modifications accentuate above all the visual exclusivity of the largest BMW X model even more vividly. Indeed, its design underscores more clearly than ever the status of the new BMW X7 as one of the brand's flagship models. The newly structured front end picks up on signature BMW design cues such as the twin headlights and BMW kidney grille. In their newly interpreted form, these features emphasize the car's upright stance and reinforce its road presence. Split headlight units are making their debut in the new BMW X7. The horizontal LED light elements set higher up in the front end house the position light, daytime driving lights and turn signal indicators. The LED units located below them for the low beam and high beam headlights give the impression of retreating into the background with their dark housing and deeply embedded position in the front apron, and only come to the fore when activated. The new adaptive matrix LED headlights with non-dazzling high beam and adaptive light distribution now also provide the functionality of front fog lights with THEIR automatic bad weather light. The generous feeling of space on board the new BMW X7 can be enjoyed across 3 rows of seats. The second row accommodates 3 passengers as standard and offers 2 particularly comfortable individual seats as an option. Heated comfort seats are provided as standard for the driver and front passenger. In European markets, BMW individual merino extended leather upholstery comes as standard. In other markets, standard specification includes seat surfaces in new Sensafin trim, not available in Europe. This high-quality, vegan surface material with leather-like properties has exclusive 3-dimensional quilting and surface perforation.